What's going on, family? Blackfeet is checking in. I just want to say something to you real quick because it just hit me. I was just talking to a family member and something just dawned on me. You know what the issue is? Most people have a problem with cutting people off that's bringing them down, that's holding them down. For some reason, we will want to hold on to somebody and pray and hope they change and just hope we can do whatever it is to change them. It's not going to happen. If it's in them to be better, they'll do better. But if it's in them to do what they're doing, they're going to continue to do what they're doing. And it's not nothing that you can do to change them. That person has to change. So I learned one thing, one valuable thing in prison while I did that 10 years from 16 to 26. I had to cut people off. Some people I had to cut off, not because I wanted to cut them off, but because it was better for me mentally to cut them off because ain't nothing I could do. They wasn't visiting me, they wasn't seeing me. I couldn't have no relationship with them, and it would have just drove me crazy. So I had to cut them off. And I realized one thing. I only had a handful of people who actually came to visit me, who actually sent me money. And those are the people that I check on to this day. Those are the people I still in communication with. But a lot of the other ones, I didn't see them. It's okay, but I had to learn to let them go. Once I get to the level I need to be on, then I can go back and I can help them and I can do other things to help pick them up. But when you're trying to build you, when you're trying to free you, you can't worry about trying to free everybody else because everybody else don't want to be freed. You have to worry about you. And I think once you do that, it's going to open up new doors for you. Hold on.